Hello, welcome back to our channel, where serenity meets motivation. Today, we're embarking on a tranquil journey through the art of brewing the perfect cup of tea right in the comfort of your home. We're focusing on a special selection, the Emei Snow tea. A springtime delight that is sure to refresh and rejuvenate your spirit. Now, before we dive into the brewing process, let's take a moment to appreciate what Emei Snow tea is. Hailing from the misty peaks of Mount Emei in China, this green tea is cherished for its delicate, tender leaves that resemble snowy buds. This tea is not just a beverage, it's an experience that epitomizes the elegance of nature. For today's brewing of Emei Snow Bud tea, we've opted for a diydrinks clay teapot, a choice driven by its advantageous design features. The teapot's expansive spout and wide body are ideal for enhancing the aromatic release and visual appreciation of the tea leaves as they spread out. Additionally, the comparatively slim walls of the teapot facilitate a quicker heat loss, allowing us to regulate the brewing temperature effectively. By doing so, we can maintain the heat near the preferable ADC, crucial for preserving the delicate flavors and nutritional benefits of the tea. Now, let me guide you through the steps of making Emei Snow tea. First, prepare your teapot set. Rinse the tea tools with boiling water, and preheat the cup. Then prepare the tea leaves. Take a spoonful of Emei Snow Bud tea leaves and place them into your teapot. Drinking Emei Snow tea isn't only a delightful indulgence for your taste buds, but it also comes with a plethora of health benefits. This tea is packed with antioxidants that help combat free radicals, reducing your body's oxidative stress. It's known to aid in digestion, boost mental alertness, and even contribute to a glowing complexion. So, as we sip this exquisite tea, we're also nurturing our body and mind. Now, pour hot water around 80 degrees Celsius over the Emei Snow Bud tea leaves. We steep it for a mere 10 to 15 seconds for the initial infusion, and then discard this water and allow the leaves to unfold. Discarding the first brew of Chinese green tea is an optional tradition meant to enhance flavor and purity. It's all about personal preference. Some drinkers enjoy the initial infusion, for those exploring a new variety of Chinese green tea, while others start from the second, or keen on trying different brewing techniques. You might consider tasting both the first and subsequent infusions to determine your preference. You can try both methods to see which suits your taste with various teas. This time around, we've chosen to savor the initial brew, as we find value and enjoyment in the very first steeping of our tea. Pour the second steeping of tea water into the teacup. Just the right amount of tea liquid. When pouring into the cup, you can raise the spout to create a certain impact force as the tea enters, which makes the aroma of the tea more intense. And there you have it, the art of brewing a soulful cup of Emei Snow tea. As you pour yourself this liquid zen and take that first sip, let the world wait. Allow yourself this moment of peace. Let the warmth embrace you and the flavors inspire you. Allow yourself this moment of peace. Let the warmth embrace you and the flavors inspire you. Remember, every cup of tea holds the essence of patience, transformation, and the beauty of a new beginning. Let this cup be a reminder that no matter what, there is simplicity and joy to be found in life's small moments. Stay serene and inspired, dear viewers, and if you enjoyed today's tea journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mindful moments and motivational messages. Until next time, keep brewing positivity in your cup and in your life. Cheers. With anticipation, pour hot water into the pot once more, immersing the Emei Snow Bud leaves for about 30 seconds. As the leaves unfurl, they'll release a symphony of aromas, hinting at the tranquil experience to come.